Hi, my name is Dailyn, and this is my introductory presentation. So, a little bit about myself is that I am 21, graduating in fall 2018. My major is family consumer science with a concentration in family services. Before coming to EIU, I was a student at NIU, Northern Illinois University, for 2 years. And my future job is social working. Um, some things that I hope to gain from this senior seminar would be to gain the knowledge of knowing how technology over the years has been involved in society, understanding other people's opinions on such a broad subject. Um, I would like to attain more of a better understanding of technology and society than I have already learned, and to learn how technology can possibly affect our future selves. Some thoughts and opinions that I have about technology and society is that technology is used for good and bad. You can do, there's like plenty of things that technology does that is good for people, such as it does help with education, which that is good. And technology could be bad because of how technology is portrayed through social media or communication and entertainment. Those things can be good. They can be used for good, but they also can be bad, such as social media can be used for bad. More people like to use social media in a bad way than a good way. Um, and sometimes technology through communication is also bad, as far as that shows connection to social media. So that's it for my presentation. I do hope to get to learn a lot more information about this class, and that is it.